Welcome to AdisInsight, a database for drug research and development, disease treatment and decision-making, based on scientifically sound data. In this video, you'll learn how to create a personal account for your AdisInsight subscription. From the AdisInsight homepage, you'll see the Sign Up or Log In option on the upper right corner of the page. Once you click on this option, scroll to the center of the page to fill out the Don't Have an Account form. You'll add your name, company email address, create a password, and then select Create Account. After you've completed this step, your profile needs to be associated to your organization's AdisInsight account. This step is critical. If you aren't associated to your organization's account, you will not be able to access the platform. To associate your account, please send an email to asktheexpert.adisinsight@springernature.com to request that your company email address be associated to your organization's AdisInsight account. You can use this section on the homepage to quickly send this email. The AdisInsight product management team will reply to your email once you've been associated to your organization's account. Please keep in mind, AdisInsight is a subscription product. In order to gain access, your organization must subscribe to the content. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn how you can maximize your AdisInsight subscription.